is up. Short, quick episode. Maybe not. But today, we don't have any capability of doing any dirt work. So, got a call this morning about a recovery. An F-250 service truck in a guy's backyard. I don't know what the situation's really looking like. He hasn't sent any pictures or anything, but I jumped at the chance to go help somebody, man. I like doing recoveries anyway, so it should be lightly interesting. But I'm gonna take my T62 Bobcat, as per usual, go out there and hopefully mop it up pretty quick. We'll see how it looks when I get there. He said he didn't sink it or nothing like that. I think he said that one of the rear wheels is right around 4 inches deep, but he said he didn't want to keep rutting it out and make it even more challenging to get out eventually. But we've had quite a bit of rain in the past couple days, and it's not supposed to be letting up, so kind of need to get out here and get it addressed as soon as possible, because it's just going to get worse. So we'll see how this goes, and I will take you guys along the ride with me. And I'll show you guys. I've got about a 20-minute trip to get there, but as soon as I roll up, I will take you along to the backyard and see what we're really dealing with here. But it should be a fun one. So, we have more to do. There's two stuck trucks. So, get them both taken care of today, get them unstuck and on their way. So one of them is actually an F-250 service truck, and the other one is a Ram 1500 that tried to help him out, but it's only a 2-wheel drive unit, so you know, it's not much that he could do to help. But I'll show you guys here in a second. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna get around the back side of the first truck, and I'm gonna just push it by the hitch. It's not very stuck. I think as long as dude just kind of creeps out, stays on the throttle just a little bit, I think it'll be all right. So we're gonna get after it, Dave.
Don't stop. I'm trying to finish this war start.
We had no chances last night. Rick's not doing nothing but...
So, very short and sweet recovery on that one. Luckily, they weren't submerged underground or anything crazy. Super grateful for the opportunity, though. I love helping people. It always makes my day to help some people out, especially resolving problems that seemingly they didn't have a solution for. So we'll throw some fuel in this thing and then head back to the house and get a good workout in.